Vandana Das and welcome to my kitchen. By now, you have figured out what am I going to make today. Yes, you are right. Rich fruit cake or rich plum cake. This cake is almost inseparable in winter season. On Christmas Day, a piece of rich fruit cake along with a cup of coffee just makes the day. Do you know why the name is rich fruit cake or rich plum cake? Because of richness of spices that we use in this cake. And the main fruit came from dry fruit that we are going to mix, which is soaked already in orange juice and rum.
I have used 32 ounces of cake fruit mix, 1 cup raisins, 1 cup chopped dates and some citrons.
So let's get started. So like regular cake, we are going to make first liquid mixture and then a dry mixture, and then I'm going to mix it together to make a rich batter.
In the liquid mixture, I have used 6 eggs beaten, my hand mixer is always very handy. You can use it. Then 1 cup of loosely packed brown sugar. Half cup of molasses. And then 1.5 cup of white oil. You can use butter also, but just to make healthy, I have used oil. The choice is yours. I have used the same hand blender to mix it very well.
Okay, so now my liquid mixture is ready. Let's now start the dry mixture.
I have taken 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a handful of spices. 1.5 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg, half teaspoon ground mace, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon of salt.
Now I'm going to make the dry mixture. So mix all of them very well. Now my dry mixture is ready. So I'm going to mix 3 things together. That is the dry mixture, the liquid mixture and the dry fruits. So these dry fruit, I already soaked it in orange juice and rum for almost last 2 weeks. You can make it for a month also, no problem. The more you soak, the more flavorful the fruit will be.
As you can see, it has a lot of liquid in it, and I'm not going to mix any water or milk, but if you feel that your mixture is a bit dry, you can add some milk if required.
I already started getting the smell. So flavorful. Okay, so the final mixture I'm going to make in a mixer.
Add the dry mixture slowly, batches by batches, and at the end, add the cashews, and your batter will be ready. I have taken 2 cups of broken cashews. As you can see, this batter is quite heavy, so that's why this blender is quite handy. If you do not have it, you can use your hands and also the hand mixer if required.
Okay, so by the time the mixture is getting settled, I'll prepare the pans. So I am taking 2 9x5 pans and I have to put the parchment paper inside. cut it with the right size.
You can use rubber band or sellotape to fix the paper, but later before baking, make sure that you are removing those. Now I'm greasing those pans using oil. You can use butter as well. My pans are well greased. Let's pour the batter. You can imagine how heavy that batter is. My hands are really shaking. So now pour the batter into 2 pans. It's time to put it in the oven. I preheated the oven to 250 Fahrenheit and cooking time 2 hours and 30 minutes. After 2 hours and 30 minutes, this is the result.
Okay, the cake is now ready.
This cake is pretty solid. Use your bread knife to cut it. We are done and it is time to serve with a warm cup of coffee. And thanks for watching my channel.